In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create UML diagram in Lucidchart. So in this, first head over to lucid.co website and you should be able to see this. Once you're in there, click onto this sign up free and from in there, click onto this login if you already have an account. On my case, I already have an account, so I don't need to sign up anymore. So let me just click onto this login. After that, you just need to input right here your credentials or also log in using Google, Microsoft, Slack, and SSO. Once you have logged in, you should be able to see right here your actual swim lane as well as your actual flowchart. In here, in order to create a UML diagram, you need to actually input right here the standard shapes for that. We have in here the shapes already added, but you want to actually just choose the shape that you want. We have in here some UML class, UML use case, as well as UML statistics. So you can head over and then just choose right here the shapes that you want added and continue or head over and then use right here what you want to do. We have added right here this shape with a class as well as attributes. You can proceed to edit it out according to your liking, such as adding in here a class as well as adding some more things like text as well as another note that will actually be able to add it. Also some diagrams like we have in this case. Thirdly, you can also use Lucid AI in order to create a UML diagram for you. So we have in here some things that we can use such as diagram and describe right here, like create UML diagram that we need to actually use for this particular case. Either way, you can use AI or start from scratch by adding here some shapes that you can actually utilize. So that's all there is today. I hope this video successfully helped you out.